Hello guys, I'm George, I'm a tech wrap trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap using gold and yellow vinyl. Now we're going to show you how to wrap this mirror. It's quite bulky to say. We're going to try to do it as one piece. To start, I've tacked the vinyl to the door window line for convenience. We're applying uniform heat now to prep the film for the big pre-stretch. Now give it a solid pre-stretch while vinyl is warm. This builds the tension needed to shrink around mirror's curves. Look at these bulky shapes. We must manage tension carefully to avoid distortion. Trimming the excess now. Time for the first lay. Start glassing out the surface to keep it smooth and wrinkle-free. We'll try to stretch on cold. I'm using a cold stretch here as much as possible. This helps maintain the film's thickness and integrity. Now we can lift this section in heat. Watch the vinyl soften and start conforming to the mirror cap. As the film takes shape, keep trimming. It reduces stress on the edges and keeps things clean. Use light heat to relax the film, then work it carefully with your fingers into the recesses. It's all about managing the material tension manually here. Slow, steady pressure ensures the vinyl settles perfectly into every curve without lifting later. Time for another clean cut. Just remember to always use a fresh blade to keep your lines sharp and professional. Take your time to tuck those edges deep for a perfect finish. Final trimming on the car. You can see the mirror looking sharper with every move. I've removed the cap now to work the vinyl around the inner lip. This ensures maximum durability. Remember that every car is different. For this Abarth, disassembly was the best way to handle these deep recesses. Once I've fitted the film to the cap, I mount it back onto the mirror before moving to the final stage. Post-heating is vital to lock the shape. For tech-wrapped gloss films, we hit around 115 degrees Celsius. If you're using our matte films, stay between 105 and 110 degrees to keep the finish consistent. Look at that seamless glow. That's the tech-wrap standard in every detail. Stick around to see how we tackle the next challenge. Until then.